today's market may seem a lot more sedate than it was a week ago, but it still makes mistakes that create some terrific opportunities. I want you to consider the case of Ulta Salon Cosmetics and Fragrance, or this is the nation's largest beauty retailer with roughly 800 stores across the country, each of which includes a built-in salon where you can get a nice haircut or some highlights. You know I have liked this company for a very long time. Last Thursday after the close, Ulta reported a truly magnificent quarter. Company delivered a 3-cent earnings beat off of a $1.12 basis, higher than expected revenues that rose an astounding 19.4% year over year, with some spectacular, I think, retail best 10.1% same-store sales growth. Plus, management boosted their full-year sales and earnings forecast. Yet, while Ulta's stock ultimately surged initially 160 to 169. The next day, it ended up closing down more than $1, 159. Today, it declined another 91 cents. Market seems to like companies that buy growth. Hormel and Smucker reported at the same time with smaller beats, but their stocks roared as their acquisitions paid off more than the organic growth that Ulta delivered. I like organic growth. Granted, even after the brutal decline in the averages over the past month, Ulta's still up 24% for the year, not to mention up nearly 40% since we last spoke to the CEO in October. But in my opinion, it seems absurd. You're getting this excellent quarter for free. Don't take it from me. Let's check in with Mary Dillon, the fabulous CEO of Ulta Beauty, hear more about the quarter and her company's prospects. Ms. Dillon, welcome back to Mad Money.
Thank you so much, Jim. I'm very happy to be here.
All right, Mary, can you explain the fundament of how someone can actually have double-digit same-store sales when all the other companies I talk to are happy with mid-single digits?
Well, first of all, yes, we are thrilled with the results that we just posted. You know, we obviously had results better than expectations. We're able to raise our guidance for the year. You know, bottom line, guests are responding to what Ulta Beauty is bringing to the marketplace, which is all things beauty all in one place. And what's thrilling is that we're able to also invest in our future growth at the same time to make sure we have a long-term, very sustainable proposition.
Now, you are doing, for the first time, your national TV campaign. What will it look like? And is it trying to attract both prestige buyers and also buyers of some of the less expensive materials you sell?
That's right. So at Ulta Beauty, you know, we offer all categories, whether it's color cosmetics, skincare, professional hair care, services like hair services at our salon, skin services, arches through our benefit brow bars. We're starting our national advertising campaign the day after Labor Day to really put Ulta Beauty on the map, and I'm very excited about it.
All right, Mary, explain how you're able to do customer relations management that allows you to get far more out of, say, an email list than anybody else I know, but far more out of a customer.
Well, we have
How do you do it? Are you doing it yourself?
Yes, just me. No, I've got a fantastic team, and we're really focused on guest insight. We've got a fantastic loyalty program we call Ultimate Rewards. And yes, our guests are really responding to it. And through that loyalty program, you know, we're able to understand every day even more about what her preferences are, what she might like that she hasn't tried. So we're sending emails that are personalized and relevant, and we're getting even more sales out of emails every day. So we believe it's working for us and helping to drive the results that we're seeing.
Now, a lot of businesses have been hurt by Amazon. Can you explain why you're uniquely not going to be hurt by Amazon and how your e-commerce business is doing?
Well, first of all, our e-commerce business is on fire. It was up 43% last quarter, which is great, but it's still a small part of our business because for us, it's all about our guests coming to the store and having the experience, trying the products, getting the services that you know you can't get done online. You have to come into our store, and we offer great trend and hair and makeup. So it's really coming together for us, but e-commerce is important as well and growing.
Now, your private label brands, I know you got good margins, but they seem to sell as well as the fancy brand names.
Yeah, well, Ulta Beauty Collection, we're very proud of it. It's doing very well for us. And keep your eye on it because we keep adding news and innovation that are really hitting the mark with our guests, like contouring palettes, brows, great, you know, eyeshadow palettes. So Ulta Beauty Collection is doing very well.
Now, I don't want to get too much in the weeds, but you have a distribution center that's opening. I know that some of the costs have to be borne now, but it's entirely possible that with the national ad campaign and the cost of the distribution center behind you, that this may actually be, to some could actually make a case that this is your last really tough quarter.
Well, you know what? We're in it for the long haul. We've got this new distribution center that we just grand opened in Greenwood, Indiana. I'm very, very proud of how the team has done there. We're off to a strong start. But we have another distribution center that we're opening up next year as well. We're investing in systems and processes and people to make sure that we can really deliver the results for the long term. So we're excited about where we are. We're very pleased with the performance and the guidance that we've been able to provide.
Lots of retailers I talk to don't really have any more room to expand. They are everywhere. You've got some pretty aggressive targets that could put in a lot more stores up, right?
Yes, we're planning to build 100 stores a year. In the next few years, we're well on our way. We've stated at least 1,200 stores in the future. We're a little over 800 today. And that doesn't even count the fact that we think there's an opportunity for us to do smaller stores in more rural markets and, maybe even more urban stores down the road. So plenty of opportunity for store growth. But I'm also really focused on just comp store sales growth because there's plenty of folks that haven't been to an Ulta Beauty, but they'll know more about us soon.
Now, when I think about what Sephora did, which go in and integrate with JCPenney, is there any hope that you would also do that, or you like to stand alone, don't need to tie up with anybody?
Yeah, right now, Ulta Beauty's proposition is working really well. We know how to identify real estate opportunities and open stores. The profitability of the stores is very strong, and we think keeping it very clear and concise about Ulta Beauty, bringing all things together, all things beauty, all in one place, is the winning formula for us.
Well, Mary, you've just done a remarkable job. Again, 10.1 comparable sales. Don't have that number from anybody else. Congratulations, Mary Dillon, CEO of Ulta Beauty. Great to see you.
Thank you.
Guys, if you want high growth that is organic, that is actually literally because management is doing fabulously, then Ulta still works, and not many others do. Stay with Cramer. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.